What's up, Pancakeswap holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, once again in this video I'm talking about the mistake of cake holders. The cake coin holders doing a very big mistake, my friends. Please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you do this mistake, so you are losing your money completely and the Pancakeswap, my friends. Keep watching this video for more details and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the Pancakeswap in the market is $15.89. 15.89 USD dollar is the latest price of the cake coin. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Pancakeswap, so the price is continuously fast down, and now the price of cake coin is the day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, the price is going down. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Pancakeswap is going negative, completely fast down the price. And due to this fast, the people afraid, the people decide to sell, my friends. And you know what? The selling is the big mistake of all holders. The price changes is negative, the price is very low, so why you decide to sell? If you decide to sell in this condition, so you are in the loss, my friends. At this time, just look the last 3 days price update of the Pancakeswap. The last 3 days pricing is negative 11.82%. the last 3 days pricing, and the price falls down from 18 USD dollar to 16 USD dollar. So that's a big falls. In the last 3 days, the price falls down from 18 to 16 USD dollar. For instance, if you decide to sell on this time, so you are in the loss. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.